Hello friend, as like always, look at the view. It's so amazing. It's my village view. Not my village, but outside of the village. Before I show my face, I wanted to show you this kind of views. See this side. Actually, my camera is blur. I mean, it's not so clear. That is why you people might be not able to see everything very clearly. Goats, they are grazing. Ladies, they are working in the field. They are harvesting their crop. Not only ladies, but I can see some men also. They are working in their field. So yeah, this is the view of my area. This side, some people, they are sitting on the road. They are chatting with each other because they have got little good time, right? We need to do this kind of things too. So let's come on the topic that how we can learn English language, how we can improve English language, and mainly how we can explain the things. Actually, if we know English language, then easily we can explain the things, right? So the problem here is how we can learn English. Then let me share with you. Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning English language great way. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can explain the thing easy way. Why I'm going to share this kind of thing? Because I've got a lot of comments. People, they ask me that I'm good at speaking, but when it comes to talking on any topic, so I'm not good at that one. What should I do? So before I start sharing with you some idea, I'm sorry my friend, because in my today's video some noise are there. One side, one person, he is using pumping set machine, and another side some people, they are chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. That is why you might be able to get some noise from my video. So once again, I'm so sorry. So let's continue this video. First of all, my friend, what happened when it comes to talking on any topic, our mind goes blank. And you know the reason? There might be two reasons. One reason, we don't know how to explain the things in English language, and other reason that we don't know about topic. And in most of the cases it happens, most of the people are not aware of each and every topics, right? Let's take one example of your mother tongue. If you are unaware of politics and I give you the topic of politics, would you be able to talk on the topic in English language? Even you won't be able to talk in your mother tongue, right? So how could you talk in English language? So in most of the cases it happens. People, they get some strange topic, and when they don't have any idea, that's why they don't explain or they can't explain, right? It happens in most of the cases. If you know little bit about any topic, you may speak little bit, right? But if you are unaware of any topic and you are unable to talk in your mother tongue, how could you speak in English language? It would be very challenging. So in most of the cases this thing happen. But if it is the matter of English, if you are unable to explain the thing in English language, here is one solution. My friend, what I used to do, I used to pick up some topic and talk in front of mirror, talk to my friends. So first time I did not used to talk good way, and then second time, third time, and that's how I used to give those topics deliberately, just like mind versus beauty, other, online shopping, offline shopping, so many kind of things we did to learn how to explain the things and to learn how to talk on topics. But if you ask me that, Anita, are you perfect? Can you talk on each and every topics? No, my friend, because there are a lot of things I am unaware of, and even I cannot talk in my mother tongue, let alone speaking in English language. So same thing happens with so many people, So if this is the reason, then don't worry, my friend. It's not all about English. It's about our knowledge also, right? If we have knowledge, we'll speak little bit. But yeah, after knowledge, if you are not able to speak, then you need to work on your English. And how we can work on our English? I told you, pick up some topic and talk on that one. Try to read books, try to read newspaper, magazine, and try to listen a lot. Try to talk to people, because when we talk to people, we learn a lot of things from them. That's how we can expand our knowledge, vocabulary. We can learn how to speak this language, right? So this is what I used to do, because I was not good at explaining the thing. I was not good at speaking this language, and still I'm not good at speaking on each and every topics. If you ask me some strange topic or some normal topic also, sometime I won't be able to talk on that topic 100%, everything clearly. So this thing happened with everyone. We all are human being. We are not computer that we are having all kind of knowledge, right, in our mind. So this is what, my friend, I used to think like you, that my English is not good, that's why I am unable to talk on that topic, this topic. No, I was unaware of so many things, about so many topics, and that's why I wasn't able to talk. But if it is the matter of English, as I told you, so then improve your English. And how you can? I told you, try to listen a lot, try to talk to people a lot, try to read books, newspaper, magazine, whatever, and expand your knowledge. Then you will be able to talk on any topic. You will be able to explain the thing easy way. But if you don't know English, you don't have knowledge about any topic, then you will definitely struggle. It happens. But we can work on it, okay? As a beginner, I used to struggle so much. I had so many questions in my mind, that how can I speak this language, and I don't know how to talk on every topics, and should I learn grammar, should I do this thing, should I do that thing? But no, once I started learning this language, a lot of problem mitigated, and a lot of things I learned on my way. So don't try to learn each and everything, in starting. You will learn on your way. So just start your journey, start listening, reading, and talking to people. That's how you can improve English. And once you improve your English, you will be able to talk, you will be able to explain things easy way. There is one another way that we can use, that is storytelling. That also helps us to become, able to talk on any topic. If you are a good storyteller, you can talk on any topic, not on any topic, because I told you that it is the matter of knowledge also. But yeah, if you are a good storyteller, you can talk on many things good way, because storyteller, they know how to talk. Try to read some stories and explain in front of mirror, in front of camera, and alone also, when you are alone. So that's how you will learn how to explain the things, and you will learn this language too. Actually, many passerby, they are passing by, and sometime I am trying to hide my camera, not out of fear, not out of less confident and all. No, I did it so that they will not feel offended. So this is evening time. Here I'm recording my video, and I am confident, I'm happy. I shared whatever was needed to work on, so that you can speak this language fluently, you can explain the things easy way. Sometimes we underestimate ourselves, right? I told you that don't underestimate yourself. Maybe you are unaware of some topic, so just expand your knowledge, you will get awareness, and you will explain it. I believe in you. So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope you like my video, or my video is little bit helpful for you. If it is, then like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.